Learn some English with Crystal.
Hello everyone, how are you? Today we will learn about the letter B, the big B, or we can also call it the capital B. The sound of the letter B is B. B. Repeat after me, B. There are many things that start with the letter B, like bus, beep, ball, bird, butterfly, baby, balloon, burger, book. Now let's learn how to draw the letter B. We start at the top. We draw a vertical line to the bottom. Then we go back to the top. We draw a curved line to the middle. Then another curved line to the bottom. So this is the letter B. Bye everyone.